Welcome to GSI's Surgical Instrument Repair Training Program. Section 6, Tissue Forceps Inspection. Tissue forceps with teeth in the jaw. To inspect tissue forceps with jaw teeth, first inspect the jaw teeth for distortion or burrs. Next, completely close the instrument while viewing the flat side. Inspect the tips closely to ensure there is no overlapping. Then position the instrument in front of the backlight and apply the same inspection process that is used on the jaws of ring-handled forceps. The forceps should touch at the tip and gradually close to the base with no visible gaps or distortion. Always finish tissue forceps inspection by checking the jaw separation. Tissue forceps with teeth at the tip of the jaw. To inspect these forceps, inspect the teeth for burrs and to confirm they are not bent. Next, slowly close the instrument while viewing the tip end on. The male and female teeth should intermesh without contact until completely closed. Tissue forceps with jaw and tip teeth. To inspect these forceps, use a combination of the two previously mentioned inspection processes for tissue forceps. First, inspect the tip teeth for proper alignment. Next, inspect the jaw teeth for proper closure using the backlight. Tissue forceps jaw separation. This section shows how to properly measure the jaw separation on tissue forceps. Measure the length of the tissue forceps with the 5-inch mark on the top of the bending block. The gauge on the top left of the bending block measures jaw separation on fully open tissue forceps shorter than 5 inches. The gauge on the top right of the bending block measures jaw separation on fully open tissue forceps longer than 5 inches. The wide gauge mark on the top of the bending block shows the acceptable range of tissue forceps separation. Note that these gauges represent the average separation on tissue forceps. Some large tissue forceps will need to have wider separation. Refer any tissue forceps separation issue on large or micro tissue forceps to a professional repair specialist.